No children left behind. I'm your teacher Lionel, sending you a warm hello. In this video, you will learn how to make a good story. What is story, kids? It is a narrative, fictitious tale, or a shorter or less elaborate than novel. And also may be called by others as legend, fable, romance, anecdote, recital, and description. What is each phase? It has the beginning of the story, middle of the story, and ending of the story. It presents the character, settings as to when and it will happen, and climax of the story or those enjoyable part of the story. And there are some elements that make story alive. They are the character, which refer to person, thing, or the actor in the story. And settings refers to place, time the story narrates of. As the lesson goes by, I have here a short story for you. It is about a boy and a girl. Are you ready to listen, kids? Before I read the story, what are the standards for listening, kids? Very good. Very good. Very good. I know you are all ready to listen now. I'm now going to read the story. The title of our story is about a day in our garden. Here is: Ethan and Joy went to their garden yesterday. They planted some seedlings. Ethan picked up the dried leaves and threw them into the garbage bin. Joy watered the plants and bushes. After doing their tasks, they sat under the tree and ate mangoes and pineapples. They immediately went back to their house because it rained. Did you enjoy the short story, kids? Very good. For that, I have heard some questions for you. What is the title of the story? Amazing! A day in the garden. Who are the characters of the story? Characters in the story are Ethan and Joy. are its settings in the garden and home? What is happening first in the story, kids? Ethel and Joy went to their garden yesterday. What was happened last? They immediately went back to their house because it rained. It's your chance to shine, kids. Show your talent to me. Good luck, kids. Here is the direction. Match the description in column A with the terms referred to in column B. Write the letters of your answer in your notebook. It presents the overview of the story. Here's the setting, the title, or the characters. 5 seconds for you to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is title. Title presents the overview of the story. The second question refers to the actor of the story. It may be the setting, the title, or the characters. What is the answer, kids? Very good. It is the characters. Characters refers to the actor of the story. What is story, kids? A story is a text that narrates events. Stories may be either be fictional or non-fictional. Fictional stories are events that are imaginary. Meanwhile, non-fictional stories are those that are based on facts and happen or have happened in real life. What is the title, class? It presents the overview of the story. And the characters refers to the actor or the performers in a story. They may be humans, animals, and so forth. And the last one, the settings, tells when and where the story happened. And the events refers to the occurrences in a story. They are basically divided into 3 parts: the beginning, the middle, and the ending. While the beginning part introduces the characters and the setting, and the middle parts narrates what the characters do and what happens to them. And the ending tells how the story ends. Usually, it also presents the lesson learned by the characters and the readers. As our activity number 2, make a simple story based on pictures presented. Here is the pictures. Okay. For that, here is your assignment. Make a simple story based on the events you observe in your places. Always remember, study hard and be blessing to other people. Thanks for watching.